This video shows how to use the double-sided printing feature to print on blockout banner substrates, or DSP-BO, on the HP Latex 3000 printer. The double-sided printing feature is included in the firmware, internal print server, and PrintCare updates released from mid-June 2014 onwards. These firmware and software updates are required to perform the following procedure. Load and print Side A in the single roll-to-roll configuration. The dual roll configuration and the ink collector options are not supported with the DSP-BO. Click the Substrate Load button. And select Load Side A under double-sided printing. Then choose the substrate category and type. Double-sided printing is suitable for double-sided applications on PVC banners. Click the Add New Job button and choose the image to be printed on Side A. Check the double-sided option on the bottom left side of the window. On the Job Properties menu, the number of copies, step and repeat, or margins can be adjusted the same as in the standard configuration. Select the Side B Loading Space button to advance the substrate so that there is sufficient substrate to load Side B. Leave Side B calibration space unchecked. It is not necessary on the HP Latex 3000. The registration line will appear automatically at the bottom of the image. The advanced sensor will read it when printing Side B. Click the Preview Both button to see how the images will be printed on both sides. There is also an option to rotate the image 180 degrees. First, select the substrate side where the rotation will be applied. Select Print Side A and then select Save to save the job settings. Click Print to begin printing the job on Side A. Unload Side A. Click the Substrate Unload button in the IPS. Make a mark with a pen at the registration line, but on Side B. The mark will be used to position Side B. Cut the substrate close to the input roll. Remove the input spindle. Collect the substrate onto the output spindle. Be sure to avoid telescoping. Remove the output spindle. Carry it around to the input side with the same orientation and install it into the input position. Click Finish in the IPS Substrate Load menu. Load and print Side B. Check the Load Side B checkbox if it is not already selected. The loading instructions are shown. Then choose the substrate category and type. When loading Side B, align the registration line with the beginning of the platen. Use the pen mark as a guide. Make sure that the double-sided substrate edge detection box is checked on the Substrate Settings menu. Click OK to continue. Open the previous job. Make sure that Side B is selected. By default, the file is the same as Side A, but a different one can be printed by clicking the Add New Job button. In this case, the image must be of the same size as Side A. Select Save or Save As to save the job settings. Print Side B. Unload the roll. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Support Advanced.